love nachos and chili con carne, and I'm super excited to share these recipes with you guys. Do you know what time is it?
Time for a new day.
Yes, it's chili time!
Oh, spicy!
Now that you did your little dance, you can't stop, can you?
Yeah.
I love it. So we're making chili con carne. It's not really a traditional recipe. This is my take to it because I am missing an ingredient, which is the oregano. But it's okay, you can still do it. It's still going to be amazing, delicious. And we've got all our ingredients here, and we're just going to throw everything in the pot. Okay, I'm just going to run it by you first. Run it through you first. Run it by you. Run it. I'm just going to run through it with you.
Okay.
That's the right word.
Yeah,
I need to go to school again.
Yeah.
Don't laugh. Why are you laughing?
Nothing. I'm not laughing.
Alright, so we've got some onions. So
Right.
this is one large white onion that's been chopped. We've got some garlic, some minced beef, some chili powder, or you can always use cayenne pepper as well. A little bit of tomato paste. You can use tomato puree as well.
Alright.
So tomato puree is it's not as thick as tomato paste, but when you use tomato paste, you don't have to use so much.
Okay.
Because it's really concentrated. We've got some black pepper. My favorite. What's this again? Smoked paprika.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like paprika as well.
And then we've got some cumin.
Okay.
Ground cumin seeds, and we've got some dried thyme, some honey, some salt, and some beef stock,
Okay.
and a little bit of oil.
Alright.
Do you want to do the cooking this time?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? You sure?
Yeah.
I think it's pretty easy. So I'll be your assistant chef. You can stand here.
I have no idea how to use it.
It's okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
Chef, you just do the stirring.
Alright.
So we are going to heat our oil. Are you ready for our last step?
Oh yeah, I am.
Okay, this is my favorite part because all we need to do now is arrange our chips on the plate or in a tray. Like my plate is oven proof, so that
Okay.
means I can put it in the oven.
Okay.
But if your plate isn't oven proof, so you have to put it on a tray
Alright.
lined with aluminum foil or baking paper, baking
Alright.
sheets. Alright, so we just want to do a layer to cover the bottom part first. And then we are going to grate the cheese. So we've got 3 types of cheeses here. We've got mozzarella,
Alright.
we've got cheddar,
Mm-hmm.
and we've got Montrejac.
Oh, I never heard of Montrejac before.
Okay, that's the type of cheese that you get in like Tex-Mex food. Okay, so we're just gonna do a little bit of cheddar first. Okay, a little bit of Montrejac. And a little bit of mozzarella.
Ooh.
And
It looks so great.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, not too much. Not too much because we're gonna do another layer. So now we're gonna put our chili. Okay?
Okay.
So we're not going to put too much as well, and we're going to try and put it on the cheese so that our chips won't be soggy.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, so we're just going to do another layer. Okay, help me with that?
Yeah.
The pretty ones. And then we're going to put a little bit of this, our green chili or some jalapenos,
Okay.
just on top. So you don't really have to have it. Like can maybe put it aside if it's too spicy for you.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 8 minutes until it's all melted. And then we're gonna put some sour cream, some salsa, and our guacamole, and we can eat it. Let's pop it in the oven. Ta-da! Look at that! Look at how good that is. Okay, so now the final touches.
Alright.
We're gonna put the salsa that we made just now. We're gonna like scatter it everywhere. Okay. So we don't have to put so much of the salsa or the guac or the sour cream, because if we want more later, we can just dip it.
Alright.
Okay?
Alright.
Alright. And this is the guacamole we did. A little bit everywhere. Sour cream is live. We're just gonna put that. Just a little bit there. Just a little bit here. And then some coriander. Just to finish it off. There we go. Are you ready to try?
Very.
Okay, you gotta sing now.
I am so ready to try it.
Yeah.
And
Wait, did I hear someone say salsa? Hey, salsa, hey.
Oh, this is where you guys know.
Señorita. Come on,
Is that how you salsa? Is that really how you salsa?
I probably watched the wrong YouTube tutorial. I'm so sorry. Was it wrong?
I don't know.
Oh, you also don't know?
I don't know, but
Okay, so this is just one final one. And you need you to do it also, please.
that looks like dangdut, man.
Yes,
It's like
okay.
the wrong
In 2020,
concept.
we merge a lot of things, different cultures together. Okay, so can we see your dangdut salsa also? Together.
My back hurts.
Oh, okay, no. Okay, never mind.
Yoga semalam.
No, it's the heels, people. If you couldn't see, she's wearing heels down there.
Hey, don't make me kick you with these high heels.
Sorry, Anis. Anyway, what are you cooking? I could smell very nice from just
Rafael,
now.
you see your brother datang, I cannot talk with you.
we're cooking nachos and
Okay.
guacamole and salsa and chili
Oh my god.
Yeah.
and all those stuff.
Do you make it yourself?
No, I helped Anis.
Yeah, Adik and I.
Adik Anis.
Adik Anis.
Let's try it, guys.
Okay, honestly, it's still very warm. It's still very hot.
Oh yeah.
This is so good.
Right?
So
I
good.
know, right? Apart.
This is amazing.
So you're gonna make this for my birthday?
Yeah.
Why?
For me.
You datang makan.
Because I didn't do anything. I didn't contribute anything. The final one.
Eh, tak apalah, makan.
Final one.
Eh, just stay and finish this, okay? If not,
Okay, okay.
habis lah.
Okay, no, I have to go and tweet to everyone that I'm having Anis Nabilah / Rafael's. What do you call this again?
Nachos.
Nachos and guac.
Nachos.
And dips.
Nachos.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna go and tweet about this now.
Yeah, don't change the name of the dish. It is so good. I'm so proud of us.
I know.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah, I am. I'm proud of us.
So you need to finish this, and then only I allow you to go back.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, that's gonna take a while.
It's okay. Take all the time you need.
Alright.
Yeah. So good.
Yeah.
We should come again and we should cook together again.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.